Today, we're going to show you how to assemble your Coolaroo Original Elevated Pet Bed in 4 easy steps. Make sure you have all the parts, the tension adjustment tool, and the pet bed fabric cover. To make assembly easier, place all the parts around the fabric cover. Now let's get started. Insert the end bars into the pockets of the fabric cover. Then, connect the rounded legs with the end bars. Insert and tighten the screws with your fingers about 3/4 of the way for 3 of the corners. Insert the last screw, tilt the bed on its side. Insert and tighten the screw about 3/4 of the way. Place the bed on a flat surface. One leg may be sticking up in the air. This is okay because the bed is based on tension. Push all the legs down so that they are laying flat. Now fully tighten all the screws using the tension adjustment tool. If you purchased an extra large pet bed, there will be an additional end bar. That's it! 4 easy steps to assemble your Coolaroo Original Elevated Pet Bed.